So hey guys, welcome to the part 2 of the GRE preparation series. And if you haven't watched the part 1, तो part 1 का ऊपर आई आइकन में आ गया होगा टाइटल. So this is part 2 of the GRE preparation series, and in this video I will be talking to you about the best books to prepare for the GRE. So let us get started. So you might wonder कि एक अच्छी GRE book क्या होती है. So it comprises of three things, right? First is the quality of the material, and this is an important part because if you are not getting quality in the questions, then you are not preparing well for the GRE exam. And second one is the explanation. So for example, I'm attempting a question and if I get it wrong, so instead of like figuring it out on my own that कि यहाँ पे गलती होगी या फिर यहाँ पे गलती होगी, I want to see the explanation कि where I went wrong, and if the explanation is not given, then I might struggle to because you don't have a lot of time to prepare for the GRE. So you have to find a good explanation book which explains the basic overview of how they started, how they went there. So explanation plays an important role. And the number 3 point is the number of quality questions. So you have to practice a lot of GRE questions to get a good score, because the GRE questions can range from basically easy to hard level. So you have to practice a lot. So let us talk about the best books for GRE preparation. So the first book is the Magoosh GRE prep book, and this is a very good book and you have to do it. This book basically is a 468 page book, and it comprises of a lot of, and I mean tons of questions of both the verbal and the quant section. So if you are not planning to buy the GRE Magoosh premium plan, which is an online one, and if you want to go for the book, then this is a very good option, and this is like curated by industry experts, so I highly recommend you do this book. So the number 2 is the official guide to the GRE general test by ETS, and trust me, this is a holy bible. And why it is? Because it is written by the ETS GRE test makers itself, and this book is must to do before you go to the GRE exam. And it has 4 practice tests, basically 2 are in the CD and 2 are on paper. So the tests are basically a near version of the actual GRE exam which you are going to encounter, and this is a must to do book, and it has a lot of like very good explanations of each and every answer. So this is my recommendation, and you must do the general test book by ETS. Number 3 is the Manhattan Prep 5LB book, and this is like this is a heaven of questions here. So in the Manhattan 5LB book, there are around 1800 questions to practice, and be it quant, be it verbal, be it AWA, there are a lot of questions, and it is a perfect book for like beginners if you want to like go out and try out questions, and the explanations are very good. So you can buy it on Amazon. I will put the link in the description below of each and every book. Another book is the GRE Prep Plus by Kaplan, and you might have heard about the Kaplan ACT and SAT books, but this book is also a pretty solid book. And what this book contains is basically the English section is they're not trying to make you like memorize all the vocabulary words, but actually they are teaching you the strategies of like how you can memorize them, how you can like fill in the right words there. Also the maths content is very good, and if you take the Power Prep Plus the Kaplan book, you will get access to free online tests as well. So this is a must to do book in the GRE preparation. The next book is the Manhattan Prep of 8 strategy books, and if you do not want to buy the Manhattan 5LB book, and if you want to like get the fundamentals right and build a solid foundation, and if money is not an issue, then these 8 books of Manhattan are the perfect one for you, because these 8 books will focus solely on each and every topic. For example, linear algebra, geometry, calculations, quadratic equations. So there is each and every book of like each topic. For example, linear algebra has separate book, geometry, trigonometry, and quadratic equations. So this is a set of 8 books, and if you have the time and money is not an issue for you, then I recommend this because it will build a solid foundation for your GRE preparation. The next book is the Barron's GRE preparation book, and it is one of the oldest books. Like each year every new book is published, but Barron's GRE preparation book is the oldest publications, and it is not even like gone out of market because of the strategies they provide you. The level of questions might not be the exact level of the GRE questions, they might be easier than them, but Barron's GRE book basically focus on the strategies on how to approach a problem and how to solve it correctly. So this is a must to do book even if you are starting a preparation. So when you're starting a preparation, you can start with the Barron's GRE preparation book. The last book is the Princeton review book, and it has around like 1027 questions for like preparation of the GRE book. And the Princeton's review book is focused on like on all the sections, for example AWA, quant as well as verbal section. And it the latest edition I think is the 5th edition. So if you want to get a lot of practice, so Princeton's review book is a must to do book in your GRE preparation. So this is it for the video, guys, and in this video I basically told you about the books you must do for the GRE preparation. And in the next upcoming videos of the GRE preparation playlist, I will be talking to you about separate sections books. For example, the quant section, the verbal section. If you want to master the quant and verbal section, which books you must do for specifically the quant and the verbal, as well as the tips and tricks to crack each and every section. So this is going to be a long playlist, but I think according to my research, these books must be the best preparation books for you. Like similarly, do your own research. If you want to do more books, if you want to do less books, that is up to you. And इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. बाय बाय.
So you wanna be my enemy? You should've known I'd never kiss the rain. Ice runs in